Here's why you should start your day with raw garlic and water. While it makes for an intrinsic part of our cooking preparations, raw garlic, taken especially as the first thing in the morning, can bring about a bevy of health benefits. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. The place of garlic is irreplaceable in Indian cuisine. Outside the kitchen too, garlic has been regarded as one of the most potent foods to cure a variety of diseases and conditions. According to the book Healing Foods, garlic is universally recognized for its health-promoting benefits, aiding the circulatory and digestive systems, boosting the immune system, lowering blood pressure, and fighting heart disease. It even helps to eliminate toxins. While it makes for an intrinsic part of our cooking preparations, raw garlic, taken especially as the first thing in the morning, can bring about a bevy of health benefits. Yes, it may not be the best of ideas for your breath, but the many health benefits of the practice would sure compel you to chug in a small chunk each morning. Here are few reasons why you should have garlic on an empty stomach. 1. Stronger lipid profile. Macrobiotic nutritionist and health practitioner Shilpa Arora ND says, raw garlic in the morning, on an empty stomach may be very beneficial for your lipid profile. It's a natural blood thinner, which helps stabilize high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Shilpa also adds, studies have also revealed how sulfur compounds found in garlic help destroy tumor cells. Garlic is a powerful antibiotic that may heal various lung diseases and strengthen the gut for better absorption of nutrients from food. 2. Powerful natural antibiotic. Raw garlic is one of the most effective natural antibiotics. The power raises significantly if garlic is consumed raw, on an empty stomach. Having a piece of raw garlic exposes the bacteria to the tough healing properties of garlic, which helps prevent the bacterial action in the gut. Garlic contains abundant antibiotic and antifungal sulfur compounds including allicin, allicin and IgG1. The antibiotic components and its volatile oil helps treat cold and cough. 3. Digestion and weight loss benefits. Eating raw garlic first thing in the morning stimulates digestion and appetite. A smoother digestion, amongst other things, also aids effective weight loss. Eating raw garlic is also effective for tummy problems like diarrhea. 4. Hypertension. The sulfur-containing compounds, allicin, diallyl disulfide, diallyl trisulfide, could help regulate your blood pressure levels too. 5. Detox. The sulfhydryl compound in the garlic helps remove toxic substances from the body. Therefore, if you have had a heavy dinner last night, it is always a good idea to start the next day on a detox mode. Eating raw garlic. Raw garlic has a significantly better nutritive profile than cooked, which is why raw garlic is often one of the most common toppings and ingredients for salads and veggies. Here is how you can start your day with garlic. 1. Make sure the garlic is fresh. This is because the allicin compounds degrade dramatically if the garlic is made to sit out for too long. 2. Carefully peel the skin off of one part of the clove and keep the rest half of the clove in the refrigerator. 3. Cut a small chunk of the part you peeled. Eating too much garlic on empty stomach can prove to be rather shocking for your system, and make you sick. 4. Swallow the garlic with a full glass of water. Since garlic has its own pungent flavor, chewing into it may get a bit too much for some. It is advisable to swallow a small chunk with water. Starting the day with lukewarm water can kickstart metabolism too. Try this natural remedy and say hello to a healthy morning. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.